Morning guys, karoon sa Christmas party sa Rich Life International Run Lansing of their products. Nagihimo sa umasa tama. So this games is Ninja Games, Ninja Race. Let us see and how games. But before that, subscribe my YouTube channel, like, share, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified once another video is ready. So we can see and how who will win.
Pusil, talong nga kuha ng pusil. Kunin sa pusil. Okay. Hop. Pagpasa sa konay. George. Pagpasa ni George ay. Tanggal. Third player. Team Hamloy is on the lead. Pas-pasan ng sulok. Pas-pasan ni Sanso. Dagan sa Sanso. Dagan. Team Hamloy. Gusto na Team Hamloy. Okay, lista sa kanan Dre, players katulong. Lista sa kanan Dre.
Guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe my YouTube channel, like and share. You'll be notified once another video is uploaded. This is Ninja Turtle Race won by George. So bye. See you next time. Update you for another video. Bye. God bless everyone.